I would say that for them to ask help anyways, even if you feel like people are gonna judge you or there's a stigma. Basically, if you can learn the early signs or early red flags that um, you can save yourself from a lot of pain and a lot of um, just completely losing yourself, you know, 'cause it's not an easy road to recover from, and it's such a big thing in our society now that if you can listen and learn and educate yourself with the warning signs, that could just save yourself from a lot of inner pain